What's up everybody, Adam West once again for Soulfly Sneakers. We've had to venture outside today. Got some noise going on inside and some crazy animals, so you're gonna have to bear with me. My hair's going crazy. I'm hoping that the wind's not gonna mess with the sound too much. I have tried to shield the mic. Anyway, something super sweet just came through the door, so I wanted to jump on camera straight away and show you these. So basically, on Saturday I ordered the Nike Air Max 90 collab with the Basement, the Manchester version. Ordered those on Saturday and they have just arrived today, so we'll take a look. So here's the shoe. Step back a bit, get that in the light. So it's the classic Air Max 90 silhouette. Solid black monochrome uppers in this waterproof Cordura fabric with rubberized overlays. Very nice, clean. And then we've got the jeweled swoosh here in the Venom colour. And then up the laces here, Venom again with 3M reflective down the centre. Same on the tongue tab and on the pull tab on the back. So these are very limited. Obviously designed by the guys from the Basement, who are sort of an underground UK streetwear collaboration. Yeah, there's two of these currently out. This one, the Manchester one, the Glasgow colourway, which was sort of wolf grey with orange highlights, and then they have the London one, which is more neutral, sort of white and sail colours, and a bit of grey on those as well. All really nice. This is my personal favourite. I'm sort of more into black. Anyway, I'll just grab the other one. You can see we have the Cordura label here. I don't know how clear that's going to be, but yeah. So these are waterproof. Really nice. Got the visible air there in the sole. Show you the bottom. Oh, both of these for the full effect. So the soles, the top one there says real people, and the lower one saying do real things. Bit hard to make out on the camera, but I'll try and get a picture for the thumbnail that shows that a bit clearer. Yeah, really nice shoe. These are for sale. I will throw the link down below. Don't currently have anything else on order, so I'm going to dig through the selection and see what I've got to show you guys next. But yeah, if you do want to cop these, hit the link in the description. Very nice, very clean pair. Very limited as well, sold out, as did the Glasgow ones, and I'm sure the London colourway will too. Within hours as usual. So yeah, very rare and very nice. Unfortunately not my size, but there we go. So yeah, until next time, have a good day.